Thanks to our friend over at Tesery for sending through a Tesery Central Storage Box. As you know, as a Model Y owner, one of the biggest challenges you actually get is that central console, it's just a big bucket where basically you put things in there and it get lost in the ether of what is a large storage area. But with the Tesery Central Storage Box, you'll be able to really segment and store things your own way and be able to find things in an organized method. So let's check this out. Hi, I'm back. Sorry for the radio silence to all my 150 subscribers out there. Life's been pretty busy, back to work, and also I've got a second child. So I just haven't had that much time to do anything. No hobbies, no editing, no nothing. So to all my YouTube channels that are sitting there idle, I'm sorry, I will get back into it. Right now I'm on my way to a touchless car wash because, as I said, I don't have time. I just need short bursts of getting things done to really manage my day. And so what I'm going to is this place nearby that lets you basically drive in and they spray your car with water, soap, and everything in between, harsh chemicals, whatever. But it's fast. It's like 10 minutes, gets it done, and that's what I want. Another big shout out to Tesery for sending through some swag that I'll be highlighting later in the video. Hi. Just the Ultimate, thanks?
Ultimate?
Yeah.
No worries. Yeah,
Oh, just the wheels, thanks, yeah.
Oh, just the wheels?
Yeah.
I'll do it while it's inside.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Did you want to receive the bill, sorry?
Yeah, all good, man.
Once you get the green arrows, just head on inside and you get the green.
Alright, thanks. I've been playing Vampire Survivor this whole time. What's inside? Oh, awesome. Actually got two things. Surprise. So this is that, I don't even know what this is called, but basically this goes into that armrest and you can store things at the very top in a hidden compartment. This is pretty cool. I'll show you all during installation. Amazing, some padding. Oh, okay. Very nice finish. This will fit flush into the storage compartment and glides in so you can hide it. So let's place these pads over here. Great way if you ever spill something, you can easily clean it and wipe it down. So you can put your cards, phone, wallet, coins, whatever you need. Lip balm, AirPods, glasses. So as you can see, it's a bit of a dumping ground at the moment with just bosses, random Pokemon cards, pens, and keys. So let's fix this. This just slides right in like this. Oh wow, it's actually really beautiful. Oh, look at that. Flush. So flush. Perfect. Closes. Amazing. Check this out. Oh, secret compartment. Amazing. I'll just throw in some cash money in here. A couple of pens. Hey, actually, you can easily get it. Garage remote. Glosses. Amazing. Any random Pokemon cards here? Why? Who knows? Why not? Let's try to get this. I'll put my E-Tag in here. So that way when I go through the tolls, it beeps. I heard it works. Closes fine. I've still got storage space down here. Amazing. Some cables in there. Let's give that a go. Cool. Perfect. Now I can just pull this out whenever. Sweet. I love it. Now let's check out the next bit. This arbitrary space over here. I don't know if I use the right word, but what can we do with this? This fits in. Check this out. Ooh, flush. Amazing. You do have probably to stick that through. There's 3M tape there. Sliding capabilities. Another amazing spot to store this. Or your keys. Close that. And bam. You're good to go. Thanks, Tesery. Check out my link for a discount code on their website, and have a great day.